Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're getting messy again with some hot glue and paint and all things Halloweeny yummy. So this is what I made. I made a Halloween lantern with some LED lights. Now it isn't finished, I'm going to need your help. So if you do get to watch the whole video, amazing, because towards the end I'm going to ask you how I should finish this off. I really couldn't decide. Here it is on our bookshelves, which always house my Halloween creations, and actually they just go on and on and on. They're everywhere, so this is going to probably stay out all year round, much like everything else I make for Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, something I never ask, but recently found out that 80% of my views are by non-subscribers, so it is free to hit that subscribe button. Hope you love it, and I'll see you at the end. So for this really fun prop for my house this Halloween, I'm using 4 frames from Poundland. Now this won't help you much, but I got these in the sale last year for 25p each. So actually I've got 4 here, and that only cost me £1 in total. And then I'm using, you would have seen these last year if you've been with me, some candlesticks. This one was sent to me from New York by my friend Mike Life. He sent me a Dollar Tree haul, and I love him for it. So I got 2 of these, and I'm using one of these. And I've got these 2 skulls. You can get similar skulls like on Amazon or B&M, Home Bargains, Asda, those kind of superstores. America, I'm not so sure, but they're really cheap, really flimsy plastic skulls. I'm also using some toilet rolls. I haven't used toilet rolls, not once on my channel. I'm using some of these leaves left over from a DIY I did back in the day, and got some more Poundland spiders, cheap little roses, and some of these little jars. If there's room, I'm going to put these in. The plan is I spray everything black, stick these on here, decorate, put them in the lantern, and hopefully it will look as cool as it does in my head. Right, I have got the skulls drying, I've got the leaves drying, I've got all the frames drying, and I've got the candles drying. My craft room really is such a state. I've literally got stuff everywhere. So what I'm going to do now is just decorate a couple of these bottles just to put inside the lantern with the skull and the candles. And then I'll add a little bit of additional embellishment using my hot glue gun, of course. And it will be time to assemble. So this video has just evolved literally live tonight. I posted a photo on my Instagram and two of my amazing friends on Instagram saw the skulls and was like, we see crowns, we see crowns. So printed off a crown from Google Free Printables, and then I'm going to use my pink silicone sheet, which is see-through, to hot glue the crown. Of course, it's the only one. It's the only way to do it, guys. You know me and my hot glue. I'm going to hot glue a crown, make sure that these are linked up here to create a more sturdy crown. Of course, you can go messy. I might even just do the outline and then make a really messy crown in between. Right, I've actually just cut that down because I felt like once I put it on the skull, it looked more like a bishop's mitre than a crown. So I've just cut the bottom off. I'm actually going to keep this for something else. And maybe a bottle or a jar. But yeah, that's much better crown. And now I'm going to paint it gold and it will be ready. So that is everything, all the little bits and bobs that are going to go inside the lantern. That's them done. I'm already looking at these, wishing I did them silver, but I mean, that can be changed. And yeah, I'm loving it all so far. The lantern itself has come out great, but on the verge of putting everything in there, I'm thinking, do I want to enclose it? Do I want to have some backs on it? I think I might ask you guys for your opinion. So I was thinking of just covering this side and this side and either having a mirror here, because I've got that sticky mirror paper, or just leaving it open, leaving it all out. I feel like these would reflect better if this had a back on it. Does that make sense? Anyway, I'm going to put it all together and let me know what you think. Right, this is it completely finished, and this is where I'm gonna ask you guys to decide what I do next, because I'm at a bit of a loss. Something's missing. I feel like it needs walls. Yeah, so do I either A, glue this creepy cloth all the way around, not obviously covering the front, but all the way around, or do I B, put 2 walls at the back with the mirror card that I have, so a wall here and a wall here, and I can just cover the cardboard that comes out of the frame. I can cover this with the mirror and just slot them back in there. So which one is it? Which one should I do? But for the meantime, I hope this has given you some crafty inspiration to just yeah, create something spooky for your Halloween decor, and I hope you love it. And thank you so much for watching, and I really would appreciate any feedback of how to finish it off. Yeah, creepy cloth or mirror. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. And yeah, there it is, Halloween lantern.